everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view Google Form responses in Sheets. Viewing Google Form responses in Google Sheets lets you easily analyze and manage data. And here's how to link your forms to Sheets. I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial on viewing responses in Google Sheets. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Google Form. And to do that, just go to workspace.google.com/product/forms and log in using your Google account's credentials. Now, once you logged in, as you can see, I'm already all logged in. Once you logged in, click on the form you want to see the responses to. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now, to view the responses, you're gonna have to customize the questions. You can also add questions for the form, and once you finish adding the questions by clicking on the plus button right here, you're gonna click on publish and then click on share to share the link with the people you want to question with the form, just by clicking on copy the responders link. Remember to always switch the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone can respond to your form. Now, once you send the people link for the form, they're gonna respond. And to see their responses, you're gonna go to the responses section right here. As you can see, no one responds to this section because I didn't send it to anyone. But if you send it to anybody, their responses will display right here. Now, after you can also create a new Google Sheet with all the responses by linking the form to Sheets by clicking on this and click on create, and just like that you created a Sheets form. Now the third step is to view and analyze responses in Sheets. Now in Sheets, responses are automatically organized by timestamp. So use filters and functions to manage and analyze data easily. As you can see here, this is the Google Sheets made for the form I made. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you link your Google Form to Google Sheets with a single click for organized and accessible and responses ready for analysis. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.